One of the key appeals of using tree branches in home decor is their raw, unrefined aesthetic. Unlike mass-produced materials, each branch is uniquely shaped by the forces of nature, twisted by wind, aged by time, or weathered by rain. These imperfections add character and texture to interiors, offering a tactile experience that synthetic decor simply cannot replicate. A branch's natural grain, curvature, and bark tell a story, adding soul and authenticity to modern, minimalist, or rustic settings alike. Hello dear friends. Welcome to Kuki Decor, where wood comes to life. Looking for stunning wood furniture designs ideas? You're in the right place. We share DIY tutorials, rustic home inspiration, and tips to style your space with natural wood textures. From reclaimed wood projects to minimalist modern designs, we help you bring warmth and character into every room. Today we will show you the collection of stunning tree branch furniture and decor ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. In Scandinavian and Japandi interiors, for instance, the presence of a single branch, suspended horizontally or vertically, can introduce an organic focal point. In Wabi-sabi design, which celebrates the beauty of imperfection and transience, a weathered tree limb may serve as the centerpiece of a wall or corner, adorned with nothing but its natural form. These concepts are proof that even the simplest branch can be a powerful design element when placed with intention. Before transforming branches into decor, it's essential to ethically and safely collect them. Look for fallen limbs after storms or seasonal pruning in your garden or local forest. Ensure that the wood is dry, free of mold or pests, and ideally already separated from the tree. Avoid cutting live branches unless necessary, and always seek permission on private or protected land. Branches make excellent materials for custom wall art. Their varying shapes and textures can be arranged into abstract patterns, geometric forms, or symbolic shapes such as hearts, circles, or trees. Mounted against a plain wall or within a frame, branch-based wall sculptures become organic works of art. One popular technique is to create a branch collage, arranging thin twigs in radiating, spiraling, or weaving patterns on a canvas or wooden board. Another approach is to suspend a large branch horizontally, letting it cast artistic shadows or hold other elements like air plants, origami, or dried flowers. A driftwood-inspired piece with multiple small branches can also be tied together to form a boho-style wall hanging, offering a handmade aesthetic and a nod to the forest. For those who enjoy DIY projects, you can carve or paint sections of a branch to reflect seasonal themes, white for winter, warm earth tones for autumn, or personalize them with meaningful words, names, or dates. This approach fuses natural charm with sentimental value, making the decor piece not only beautiful but deeply personal. Beyond being ornamental, branches can also serve practical purposes in the home. Their natural strength and structure lend themselves well to functional decor solutions that blend utility with artistry. Small Y-shaped branches or larger limbs with sturdy offshoots can be mounted on walls to serve as hooks for coats, scarves, hats, and bags. They add a rustic flair to entryways or mudrooms and can be finished in matte black or white for a modern farmhouse touch. Arranged in clusters, these hooks can double as a piece of art when not in use. A straight, sanded branch can act as a unique curtain rod in a bedroom or bathroom, suspended with twine or mounted on brackets. Alternatively, a horizontal branch hung with ropes or cords can serve as a minimalist clothing rack, ideal for showcasing select wardrobe pieces or creating a boutique-like vibe in a walk-in closet or studio. Branches can be transformed into striking light fixtures with the addition of LED string lights, pendant bulbs, or even candles in lanterns. A thick branch suspended over a dining table or kitchen island, wrapped with Edison bulbs and wires concealed in natural twine, creates a dramatic chandelier with a rustic or industrial aesthetic. This juxtaposition of natural and manufactured elements makes for an eye-catching conversation piece. Using branches as supports for floating shelves or integrating them directly into the shelf structure offers a novel twist on traditional storage. Thin branches can crisscross beneath a wooden board for an artistic shelf bracket, while a more sculptural branch can be used as a side support or vertical divider in open shelving units. For the more advanced woodworker or enthusiast, branches can be incorporated into furniture design, providing structure, legs, or accents for one-of-a-kind pieces. Side tables or stools with thick branch legs bring a handcrafted and organic feel to any room. These pieces work particularly well in cabins, lodges, or homes with a rustic modern aesthetic. Mixing reclaimed wood tabletops with raw branches as legs adds character and sustainable appeal. Larger branches, especially those with striking twists or forks, can be mounted as a backdrop or incorporated into a custom headboard design. They may be left raw or integrated into a geometric framework to blend modern lines with natural textures. Long, slender branches can be bundled or arranged vertically to form natural room dividers. These screens allow light to filter through while creating subtle privacy between living spaces, ideal for open-plan homes or studios. Combined with a wooden base or frame, the divider becomes both sculpture and partition. Repurposing branches indoors helps bridge the divide between interior and exterior spaces, fostering a stronger connection to nature. A few well-placed limbs can evoke the feeling of walking through a forest, particularly when combined with other natural elements like stones, moss, or houseplants. One idea is to create a branch arbor or archway, either freestanding or wall-mounted, that frames a hallway or entrance. This mimics garden trellises and introduces a whimsical, fairy-tale quality to the home. Similarly, branches can be anchored in pots with stones to create miniature trees indoors, offering a peaceful, sculptural addition to any corner. Branches also pair beautifully with plant life. A single horizontal branch mounted above a window or mirror can serve as a perch for trailing plants like pothos or ivy, allowing vines to drape naturally. This approach supports a biophilic design philosophy, using natural materials to enhance well-being, reduce stress, and improve indoor air quality. Despite their rustic roots, tree branches can complement even the most modern of interiors. The key lies in editing and contrast. In minimalist spaces dominated by clean lines and neutral palettes, a single blackened or bleached branch can provide an elegant counterpoint. One of the most compelling reasons to embrace branch decor is its sustainability. Instead of purchasing mass-produced decorations made from plastic or synthetic materials, using branches encourages a zero-waste, resourceful approach. It's a way to upcycle what might otherwise be discarded and to celebrate the abundance and beauty found in local surroundings. Moreover, tree branch decor is incredibly budget-friendly. Most materials can be sourced for free, and with basic tools and creativity, anyone can transform them into meaningful, stylish pieces. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a novice DIY, there's a branch project suitable for every skill level. Tree branches are more than just debris from the forest floor, they are symbols of growth, resilience, and transformation. By bringing them into our homes, we not only repurpose nature's forgotten elements, but also reintroduce a sense of wonder, grounding, and serenity into our daily lives. Whether you're crafting a simple wall hanging or building a statement chandelier, every branch used in your home carries a piece of the natural world with it. In an era of fast furniture and disposable trends, decorating with branches offers a timeless, soulful alternative, one rooted in craftsmanship, mindfulness, and reverence for the environment. So the next time you spot a fallen limb or a discarded twig, don't walk past it. Instead, imagine its potential and let nature's overlooked treasures inspire your next stunning creation. Moreover, decorating with repurposed branches fosters a deeper connection to sustainability and mindfulness. It encourages us to see potential where others see waste, to create beauty from the discarded. It challenges the norms of conventional design by prioritizing authenticity over perfection and craftsmanship over consumerism. When placed thoughtfully, repurposed branches can transform the atmosphere of a room. A large driftwood limb in a bathroom brings spa-like serenity. A painted branch centerpiece adds elegance to a dining table. Even a bare twig in a vase on a windowsill can create a sense of stillness and grace. These organic accents don't demand attention, they invite reflection. In a world increasingly defined by speed and artificiality, the magic of repurposed branches reminds us to slow down and appreciate the natural elegance that surrounds us. They are timeless artifacts of nature, brought indoors not to dominate a space, but to harmonize with it, quietly, beautifully, and meaningfully. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.